And lastly, this is what's called a Respimat inhaler. Respimat is used typically for drugs like Spiriva or Stiolto. The way this works is it's sort of a combination between a spacer inhaler that is a soft mist and a dry powder. This inhaler takes a little bit more work on the front end before you're actually ready to use the inhaler. So once you take it out of the box, it's going to have two separate pieces of equipment. The first, the Respimat inhaler. The second is the cartridge. As you can see, there's a needle puncture spot on the top of the cartridge. That corresponds to a needle that's inside the device. So when you first take it out of the box, you need to push with your thumb on the plastic flange. That's going to pull this off. As you can see, when you look down in there, there is a needle that punctures the cartridge. At that point, you thread the cartridge inside the chamber and then line up the plastic flange inside the cartridge. Then use your hands and squish together. That takes some effort. At that point, the inhaler is almost ready to use. The next step, the first time you take it out of the box, is that you need to activate the Respimat. The way that works is you pop the device open like this, hold with your left hand on either side of the trigger. Then you're going to turn clockwise, which is going to allow the gray trigger button to pop out. The first time you take it out of the box, you have to charge it 4 times before usage. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you can close the dosing window and it's ready to be used for the day. When you're ready to use your inhaler, pop it open again, and then you turn the Respimat clockwise until you will see that the gray trigger button pops open. At that point, you're going to relax, put this in your mouth, push the button, and a deep breath, hold for about 5 seconds. And relax. With all Respimat inhalers, it's 2 turns equals 1 dose. So turn, push, push. I'll show you again. Turn, relax, turn, relax. Remember, you do not have to do the 4 push charge except for the first time that you take it out of the box.